Is your pull-down kitchen faucet no longer retracting all the way back into the spout? The fix may be easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a pull-down kitchen faucet that won't retract properly by checking the hose, clearing any obstruction under the sink, and adjusting the counterweight if needed. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Pull-down faucet systems may vary slightly depending on the brand and model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Start by looking underneath the sink to inspect the pull-down faucet hose and the counterweight attached to it. On many pull-down faucets, including systems like Moe and Reflex, the counterweight helps pull the spray head back into the spout after each use. If you've recently stored cleaning supplies, a reverse osmosis system, or other items under the sink, check whether they're blocking the counterweight from moving freely. Step 2. Adjust. If the counterweight is hitting an object, move anything that's in the way and create enough space for the hose and counterweight to hang freely. If the faucet still doesn't retract properly, adjust the position of the counterweight. Release the small retaining clip, slide the counterweight higher or lower on the hose until you get the best pullback performance, then snap the clip back into place. Make sure the hose can move smoothly without rubbing against nearby items. Step 3. Test. Pull the spray head out several times and let it retract naturally. If the counterweight drops freely and the spray head returns fully into the spout, the problem has been resolved. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.